Arza Rangers Makina Moto Show 2025 Maxi 160 ng Bristol. Ito po, technical specifications ay meron siyang 4-stroke single cylinder, 4 valves and single overhead cam, 160cc CVT po siya, 11.8 kilowatts and max torque is 14.7. Unleaded 13 liters po fuel tank capacity. Malaki po yan at malayo po ang mararating yan. So meron siyang color variants na makikita nyo rito on your screens. Alright, ang nasa atin ngayon sa harap natin is black, looks like this. Front tire is 110 by 70 by 13 disc brake alloy, and rear tires 130 by 70 by 13 disc brake alloy. Front and rear are disc brake at meron siyang dual channel ABS. Ito na po yan, Maxi 160. Ay, sorry po. Ito po, ito. Ito po, ito. Bristol. And ito po, X-Max po yung itsura niya. Talaga. Yamaha X-Max. Pinaliit lang. Lakas ng dating. Lakas ng dating, Rangers. Ganda ng Tapalodo. Shiny po yan, pero mukha lang siyang matte sa malayo. Ang taas din ang gusto ko rito, mataas yung kanyang windshield. At ito, left and right turn signals. All LED na po. Pati po yung kanyang ilaw dito. Daytime running lights. Ito ang kanyang headlight. Ito ang kanyang telescopic fork. And yes, nahingin na natin dito na maganda yung mga ginamit na pyesa. Diba? So, alright, nakakabilib naman to si Bristol Maxi 160. Alright, so yung upuan sarado. Unfortunately, grab bar ng angkas, very good. Napaka ng angkas and CVT at yung airbox. At ito yung kanyang baso, no? Yung kanyang suspension may baso. Dalawa nga yung baso. And then ito yung kanyang exhaust. Alright. Yes, it looks like this has a radiators or liquid cooled po. Alright, akita naman natin dito. So push natin to. Bulsa. Right, alam ko napupush to. Come on. Hindi yata. Okay. So itong kabila. Alright, so yan, napupush and it opens like that. So malalim, kasi yung palad ko as you can see. Alright, you can close it like that. And ito, hindi yata ito nabubuksan. Alright, ito yung kanyang panel, fully digital Rangers and Bristol na emblem dito. So may adjustment po yung kanyang preno, may adjustment. May passing light. Ito yung kanyang enter select sa menu. And ito yung high beam and low beam. Left and right turn signals, horn. Sa kabilang side naman meron siyang kill switch, TCS control, on and off. Yung kanyang switches ng ilaw. Kung gusto mo na nakapatay, parang park light lang, pwede yan. And then kanyang electronic start. Ito po, keyless po siya. So ganyan po yung itsura niya. And then again, ito po siya, Rangers, ikutan natin uli. At mukha talaga siyang X-Max. Wow, ang galing. Nakakabilib, Rangers. Alright, so babalikan ko kayo. Maxi 160 Makina Moto Show.